Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious smoked baked beans, the perfect side for your next cookout. I'm going to start by preheating my griddle. Once I got that heating up, I'm going to take about 8 ounces of bacon and I'm going to cut that into small pieces. Next, I'm going to take 1 whole white or sweet onion and I'm going to dice that up really small. Then I'm going to take about 3 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to smash this head of garlic to get the cloves out. Then I'm going to smash each of those individual cloves up in order to make them easier to peel. Then I'm going to dice those up real small. Next, I'm going to take 1 jalapeno pepper. I'm going to deseed this pepper by cutting it in half and then taking the seeds out, and then I'm going to dice up the pepper really small. You can of course add more jalapeno pepper if you want a little more heat to your beans. So our griddle is nice and preheated. I'm going to throw my bacon down on that griddle, let it start to cook up. Once that bacon starts to brown up nicely, then it's time to add in your veggies. So I'm going to throw in my onion and my garlic and my jalapeno pepper, and I'm going to let all that cook till it's just softened right there with the bacon. Once I see the veggies have started to soften up, I'm going to pull those off the griddle and set them to the side in an aluminum pan for the next step. Before the next step, I'm going to go ahead and get my Blackstone Pellet Grill preheated, so I'm going to fill the hopper up with some pellets. It doesn't matter what kind of pellet you use here, just use whatever you have available. Then I'm going to preheat the grill to about 230 degrees. So I'm going to take that aluminum pan full of my bacon and veggies, and I've got all my other ingredients set out ready to go here. Now it's time to start adding those ingredients. We're going to start with 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans drained, 1 15-ounce can of pinto beans drained, 1 15-ounce can of black beans drained, 1/4 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1/3 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of what's this here sauce, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of dry mustard. Once we have all those ingredients added, we're just going to stir that up real good. By this point, our pellet grill should be nice and preheated, so I'm going to throw this right in the middle of that pellet grill and let them cook for about 2 hours. You're going to want to come out every now and then while this is cooking and stir it up just to make sure everything is getting cooked all the way through. Then after about 2 hours, these are ready to come off and ready to serve. I'm going to give these a good stir, and then there you have it. Some delicious smoked baked beans made in the Blackstone Pellet Grill. These are the perfect side dish for any barbecue or anything that you're making. Serve it on the side with some corn on the cob and a pulled pork sandwich, and you've got it made. I hope you guys give this a try. Let me know if you do in the comments. Till next time, thanks for watching.